Um, Hello, my name is Ana Cristina Lopez Gutierrez. I am 19 years old, and the program in which I am currently studied is psychology. What I was doing last Christmas was shared with my family takes advantage of every moment which here in the typical ditch chat it shows and the most consenting in the most consumed in my region is the Paisa trial, since it is the most typical of the Antioquia region. One two tablespoons of oil, um, 21 G. Two stable of finally chop log onion Twitter G. Two research tomatoes scanner and finally chopping um, two under um, two under 4 G. G. 1 chunk of Kruger Maggi broth with rice night 3 cups of water, 7 under figlet, figlet. 1 2 pound read by Bell Stoker overnight, um, 2 under um, 50 G. Um, one one fourth point later growth bed is 125 years. Um, uh, 1 2 point oil of cooked which research to under 50 G. Um, Interjet, sí, 1 4 pound of crispy bacon cut into 4 pieces, 4 pieces, 1 under 25 years. 4 kg triple sausage previously cooked and broiled, um, 1 under 20 G. Four fried eggs, uh, 2 under, 2 under G. 1 avocado cut into 440, under 10 G. Small rolled arepas, 18 G. Um, 4 slats of fried reserve planting, 18 years, and date stopped by stem. Preparation is they dice the forest lays date beat raised in a container with water. To preparation, they reserve with are 2 cups of reserve and tower is much whiter. That is 4 cups of water boiled and then rinsed, and then let cooked over minute heated for 50 minutes. Turn off the heat and let stand for 5 minutes. Cover the container. For date bananas, we are going to prepare a pan with oil slant the bananas and fry until golden brown and they um, let they result of a planter leader with kicker or absorbed paper. Will process tot prepared their home, Sunday onion and tomato chop and they charred into very small pieces. Saute the onion in oil for 4 minutes. Season with salt and the tomato and the garlic and cook mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Dry the beet and take them to prepared cooker and they stove cover with water and let cook for approximately um, 30 minutes. In a fritted pan cook the meat and the chorizo until they are well browned. Then remove and in the same pan fry the eggs. In another pan fry the pork rib. Then assemble the pizza tray way placed the sliced the minced meat, the chorizo, the fork ribs and the eggs. On top of the ribs, cut avocado and the corn arepas and ready to enjoy. I invite you to fear this delicious typical dish for Antioquia, more cooked the paisa tray. Thank you.